What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're making the aloe vera ice cubes. So make sure you keep it right here. We're getting right into it. So while I get this camera together, basically what we're doing is a skin regimen that's supposed to help with acne scars and acne breakouts. So yeah, basically I want to try this out and see how it works. So you want to start off with basically cutting off those ends, which is like cacti type of little spiky things on the side, and they can like cut you. So you want to try to make sure you cut those off. I already started doing that. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, you see the little spikes on there? You want to make sure you cut all of that off as close as you can, because you want to save as much aloe as you can. Yeah, so just cut that off. This is basically what it looks like. You only need a little container, and then you're going to cut the sides off because it's like a little burnt looking stuff. Yeah, so you cut that off, and it's really simple. Basically, I'm going to be cutting these up in little blocks, as big or small as you want. I want to try to make it last for 5 days, and I want to use it morning and night. So yeah, you're going to just go ahead and cut. You see all that juicy goodness in there. So you're just going to be cutting that like so. Make sure you have a really sharp and smooth knife in order to do this. I didn't realize my arm was so in the way. But yeah, you just want to, I'm going to speed this up because, I mean, you get the point at this point. Honestly, if you're only going to be doing 5 days, you might only need one. I just got 2 because I plan on using it for my hair as well. Right here, I'm just going to show you how, juicy it is up in there. So get into this, little y'all. But no, so also, when you use it, you're going to use the sides first. You're going to use the green part as a handle. And then you're going to cut it open once it's thawed out and puncture the inside so that you can get more juiciness. Don't think that it's gone. Look at this. I'm trying to focus the camera. It keeps on going out of focus. But don't think that it's going just because it looks dry. You just got to puncture that, like, inside part. But I'm just going to start cutting this one up now. The same exact thing. You can cut them. You can cut these like long ways too, and then you'll have like little cubes. But I want to have enough to like do my whole face and neck and chin, so I can get the most out of it. But yeah, you're just going to close this up. This was a real quick video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this was real easy for you. You're going to take this and pop this. Like, you should have a container like this around your house. You just pop this into the freezer. I'm always getting stuck on my words. Look, I found a little something. And then these, you might as well scrap those. It's only $2 for the whole plant, so it's not even that serious where you want to be extra and say, oh, I could use this for something. Just throw that shit away. That's all I had left right there. So you have successfully made some aloe vera ice cubes, and so I'm just going to take these babies and pop them right into my freezer like so. Make sure you come back for more videos. I told you I'm getting all up into my skin regimen, so let's glow together. Thanks for watching, and make sure you come back and check me out.